Hi, I'm Matt Kennedy, and I'm excited to share some time with you today to talk about the partnership between Rockwell Automation and Fortinet. With me today is the North American OT Channel Sales Vice President from Fortinet, Landon Scott. Landon, thanks for being with us.
Pleasure to be here.
Let's start with exploring our relationship. If you could talk a few seconds about what that partnership means to you and how you see it progressing.
The partnership started not too long ago to have the blessing of Rockwell and the support among the Rockwell distributors as well as Rockwell proper. It has definitely helped catapult our position in the OT security market, and hopefully that we will be able to help each other across both the IT and OT with our global customers and their cybersecurity needs.
Fortinet helps secure the OT environment with your advanced firewall capabilities, but could you talk a little bit about what you're working on to help our customers in this space?
We started with firewalls, and that's been a great launching pad, but over the last year we've expanded the portfolio into both the industrial data center platform, as well as we've started to introduce some of the newer advanced security technologies like sandboxing and the Deceptor tool, which I think will help these customers evolve as they're having to connect all of these networks and handle the convergence problem between IT and OT.
It's not only the products, but it's the approach of security that you're bringing to our partnership and to our customers that has us really excited. So if we spend a second too talking about the Verve acquisition and thoughts on the impact that has made on our relationship.
The ability for Verve to ingest information from our Security Fabric tools is a great start, but I think what you're doing with that as far as helping customers be able to understand all the assets that they have and chart a path forward in their security journey to implement segmentation and security where it may not have been a higher priority or not necessary previously. And then over the life cycle to be able to understand all of that information that's coming in and then help in the entire life cycle to support a NIST framework and really drive the entire resiliency strategy for these customers. And I think the next evolution of that will be in the life cycle being able to enable a lot more managed service capabilities as you know what we've seen in our IT world is that our resale partners, which I have a lot of responsibility for, have been in that transition to more OpEx-based offerings because of the lack of cybersecurity and capability among the workforce and the inability to handle things on their own. We've seen that there. We're seeing exactly the same thing with you guys, so we're very excited to be launching the managed security service with you guys in 2025.
The impact that will have on our new releases of our security monitoring and response offering will just continue to strengthen and showcase the partnership. So again, we're really excited about our partnership. We're grateful and thankful to spend some time with you today and throughout this week here at the show. If you want to learn more about Fortinet and our partnership, please visit the partner portal on our website.